Hello everyone, I am Monica Sharma and today I am here to teach you how to install Python and PyCharm on your device. First of all, open your Google and type www.python.org. Then click on download Python. After clicking, this Python screen will appear on your screen and you have to click on Windows. After clicking on Windows, you can see the latest version, that is 3.12.5. You have to click on that and you have to start downloading Python, and you can see that in your recent download history. Then you have to install it. So click on add python.exe to path, means you have to check it, and then click on install now. It will take few minutes, then it will be successful. And that's it. This is how you can install Python. Next we have to install PyCharm, that is IDE, Integrated Development Environment, where you can code. To install it, you have to type www.jetbrains.com and then search, and then you have to click on download. After clicking on download, you will get the two options, PyCharm Professional and PyCharm Community Edition. So if you want a paid version, so PyCharm Professional is okay for that. But if you want a free version, so PyCharm Community Edition is good, because PyCharm Community Edition is totally free and Professional is you have to pay for it. So you have to click on download now to install PyCharm, and after that in your history you can see your PyCharm is installed, download, and now you have to install it. So you have to click on next, and if you want its shortcut on your desktop, so you can check it, otherwise it is not that much compulsory. And then you have to click on install and it will start installing on your device, and it will take few minutes to install. After installation, you can see this dialog box here, completing PyCharm Community Edition setup, and you have to click on finish. And this is how you can install Python and PyCharm on your device, Windows. And if there will be any doubts, you can do comments, and I hope you like it. See you in the next class.